Hello, this is the uh, Microsoft bot framework using the Python SDK, and here I am demonstrating very small conversation here. So just like in the initial stage, first stage, I'll ask that please enter the name. Suppose I entered my name here, okay, and he sent to the request in our code, and you know that there is any kind of our bot framework, so they work as a web browser. Okay, so I will show you later. So here the bill is asked the mobile number. Okay, so suppose if you put the 2 digit here, so we can apply the condition over there, same for the string, same for the mobile number, same for the country number, whatever. So you'll ask it again, you please put the your mobile number. So suppose I put it my number, so then you will ask that, so just I put in this number. Okay, so we'll try that the condition is fine, that's fine, that's fine, that's okay. And just please ask that just please enter the email ID. So just he'll send it again like that. Okay, so that is send. Okay, so that is the our conversation here, so between me and bot. Okay, and finally he'll show, and all the string what we have put it here, name, this, email ID and mobile number, whatever here. And here we are using the totally open source Python code, and we are not using any kind of drag and drop tool, whatever. So everything is written that, and we are running our script behind that. So this is the our API that is running on that. You can see here I'm basically putting some value here and check the condition here, and this is our server is running on this particular port number. Okay, and we pass through that information in our the bot here, and just we are running on that. So this is our basically very small demonstration. Okay, so we are using the post request and sending the messages.